weekend. I blew 20 racks on a motherfucker weekend. I'm geeking up, pop me a bean on the way to the deacon. She finished, she eat up the dick like she just got her teeth in. Whoa, yo, hey, man, I want that little bitch for the weekend. She said that I'm crazy, I gone off the deep end. Yo, hey, yo, I'm pouring the six in the beaker. I'm mixing solutions, I should been the teacher. Hey, we get money all day. We get motherfucking paid, whoa. I put your bitch on the payroll. She scared you can stay home, but I made a decision to go get that money so I cannot stay long. Just made a play off a payphone, yeah. So I'm ready to go alone, cause I'm passing this way like it was a torch. This shit got a prolong. Gathering the finest bitches in exotic places. I'm a go, dog. I'm a pro, dog. So whatever I'm saying, it goes, dog. Hey, ain't gonna play, ain't gonna play, ain't gonna play with you bitches and niggas. If it come down to it, I'll pull the trigger. Every day you gotta make a decision to go live your life or to die in them ditches. So don't get mad at me, I just made a decision, nigga. If you're not a foreigner, please get with it, nigga. I'm the dapper dancer with the bitches, nigga. I'm the dapper dancer with the business, nigga. I can get you clean like some dishes, nigga. I can have you dodging all the critics, nigga. I can have you dodging all the bitches, nigga. I can have you dodging all the... Yeah. It is not fair that I'm playing this way, but I gotta get it air.